Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will update the category list whenever we will create a new record. Right now you can observe when I will create a new record, it is created in the backend, but it is not refreshing in the front end, in the list of category. So what we need to do, we will use a AJAX call in the create. So when successfully record is created, we will call that AJAX to get all the available record within the database and render that here. So let's come into the code. We need to find insert. So here we are inserting the record. Here we need to update the list, and for that what we need to do, we need to destroy data table, so in the create we come here, we are destroying the data table. Right after that we will delete the record available in the T-body of that data table. So here is this data table. Let's traverse its T-body. Here it is. All the records are removed. Destroy data table, remove all the record. Then we need to fill the record and create the data table, and for this we will use this AJAX call. So I will collapse this, copy and paste that here, and let's see what's happened. Refresh this, and now we will create record, and that will update here also. cat1, and that is updated here. The engineering projects, and click create, and it is created here. So I hope this video is informative. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.